Good afternoon, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir, your voice is audible.
Okay. So let me introduce myself. My name is Uday Raj Singh, and I teach mathematics here at ADCI. So we'll start trigonometry today, right? So we are going to solve NDA PYQs directly. So let us start now. See, this is the first question. Would you just try to solve it? Are you able to see the screen? Screen दिख रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Please try to solve this. How can we solve it? Question number 1. What is given in the question? Sine A plus B. Sine A plus B is equal to 1, right? And 2 sine A minus B is equal to 1. So this is the first equation, right? From here, I can write A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Or pi by 2 I can directly write, right? In the same way, I can write the second equation, sine A minus B is equal to half, right? If 2 goes on the right hand side, it becomes half, right? So, and we already know at what angle sine becomes half. Yes, pi by 6, right? So A minus B is equal to pi by 6 using trigonometric table, right? This can be written as 90 degree and this can be written as 30 degree. And now we are supposed to find out the ratio of tan A is to tan B. So A plus B is equal to 90 is there in the first equation, right? And from the second equation, we have A minus B is equal to 30 degree. If you solve them, then you will be getting, if you add both of them, you will get A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 30 degrees. And we are supposed to find out the ratio of tan A is to tan B. Tan A is to tan B, right? So what is tan A? A is 60, right? So I can write directly tan 60 divided by tan 30. Again, using trigonometric table, I can write root 3 divided by 1 by root 3. This root 3 goes up, it becomes 3. So I can write 3 is to 1. So final answer would be D option. Final option will be, the final answer will be D. So 3 is to 1 is the right answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we move ahead? You can note it down this one. Although there is one more method to solve this. Everyone is comfortable in English, right? Or shall I speak in Hindi also? Hello. Are you able to hear me, online students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you understood this one? 3 is to 1 is the final answer. Please note it down. We'll move to the next question. Or before moving to the next question, we can have one more method to solve this one. using some shortcut which we call SETTA, right? So please note it down, this one. So done? Okay. Let me tell you one shortcut, SETTA number one. See, if sine A divided by sine B is equal to m by n, then if you apply componendo and dividendo, you'll be getting tan A plus B by 2, tan A plus B by 2 divided by tan A minus B by 2 is equal to m plus n over m minus n. So this is the shortcut number one. So along with these questions, I'm going to tell you some shortcuts where we can use those shortcuts to solve these questions in order to save our time, right? So if sine A upon sine B is equal to m by n, then tan A plus B upon 2 divided by tan A minus B upon 2 is equal to m plus n over m minus n. So if you see in the first question, if you divide both the equations, sine A plus B is equal to 1, and the other equation is sine A minus B, sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, right? So this becomes 2 by 1. Now apply componendo and dividendo. So sine becomes tan here. And if you add both the angles, you will be getting 2a, right? And divided by 2. Similarly, if you divide it by tan a plus b minus a minus b, it becomes 2b, right? And divided by 2. So applying the same shortcut, here it will be like 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And we were supposed to find out tan A by tan B, which is 3 by 1. So within one step, you will be getting the answer using this shortcut. I hope it is clear to everyone. Please note it down. Okay, let us move to the next question. Are you able to hear me? Have you noted it down? Okay. Let us move to the next question. I hope you understood this, Setta. Now we'll move to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2. See, what is given in the question? If 4 sine square x, if 4 sine square x is equal to 3, where x belongs to 0 to pi, then tan 3x is equal to. So from here, we want tan 3x, right? So I can write here sine square x is equal to 3 by 4. So sine x is equal to plus minus root 3 by 2, right? Since x lies between 0 and pi, or from 0 to pi rather, then I don't have to take negative sign, because in the first and second quadrant it is positive. So I need to consider only positive sign right here. Now if sine x is equal to root 3 by 2, it means x can be either pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. It means 3x is equal to either pi or 2 pi. Then I need to find out tan 3x. So it means it is either tan pi or tan 3 pi. And coincidentally, both are 0. So answer will be 0. So the question number 2, the answer will be 0. Tan 3x is equal to 0. I hope it is clear. Understood, everyone? Tan 3x is equal to 0. Let us move to the next question. Please note it down, this one. I hope it is clear. Answer is 0. Is there any doubt? Are you able to hear me, everyone? Avantika, can you hear me? Vaidehi, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you comfortable in English, or shall I speak in Hindi as well? Yes, Vaidehi.
Sir, we are comfortable in English.
Shall I speak in Hindi as well, or you are comfortable in English?
Sir, we are comfortable in English.
English. Okay. So shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let us take the another question, question number 3. Very easy. We are solving only PYQs of trigonometry today. What is the value of theta? Let me read the question. What is the value of, for what value of theta, where theta lies between 0 and pi by 2, does sine theta plus sine theta into cos theta attain maximum value? So we have got sine theta plus sine theta into cos theta, right? So we have options, right? So we can go with options as well. We need to find out the value of theta for which this attains maximum value, right? So what we can do, we can just put the values. Suppose we have what first option is pi by 2, second option is pi by 2, because it may save your time. Although a little lengthy method is there, but we'll go with options, by options. So we have got the second option pi by 3. Option C, if you see option C, we have pi by 4, and D option pi by 6. So if you put option number 1, I mean in place of theta, if you put theta is equal to pi by 2, you'll be getting sine pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So here we are getting 1, right? Now next B option, this is root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is root 3 by 4. Next is pi by 4, so it is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into, and similarly pi by 6, sine pi by 6 is again 1 by 2, and here root 3 by 4. So if you see, very easy to compare. See, here root 3 by 4, here root 3 by 4. This one is root 3 by 2, and this one is 1 by 2. Of course, root 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, this can't be maximum, right? This can't be maximum. Now, what is the approximate value of root 3? It is 1.7, right? So 1.7 divided by 2, it is 0.85. And half of this will be 0 point something 4, 425, right? Yes or no? Next, if you add both of them, you'll be getting around, I mean, more than 1. So again, this can't be your answer, maximum value. Similarly here, if you put, I mean, here this is 0.1 by 1.4, which is 0.7 approximately. Here 0.5. This is approximately 1.2, and this one is again 1.2. But this one is, this seems to be greater, this one, right? So we either option B or option C is correct. Either option B or option C is correct, right? So we have to go with AOD, application of derivative. Yes or no? So let us check, because they are very, very close to each other. This is also 1.2. This is also 1.2. So we have eliminated using options, option A and option D. Now we have to see which is maximum, right? So we have to go with the traditional method, right? So see, we have got sine theta plus sine theta into cos theta. So suppose this is f of theta. Now we have to just differentiate it. So f dash theta is equal to cos theta into, I mean, this is nothing but this can be written as sine theta plus sine 2 theta by 2. Yes or no? So f dash theta will be derivative of sine theta is cos theta. This is nothing but 1 by 2 times cos 2 theta into 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with cos 2 theta plus cos theta is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Right? Now, from here, you will be getting either 30. See, just check. I can write this one as 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cos theta. So this will be equal to 2 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now we can use options as well. We have got pi by 4 or pi by 3. Pi by 4 or pi by 3. At pi by 4, it is not equal to 0, but pi by 3, if you put pi by 3, it satisfies. So it means answer will be pi by 3. So B should be the right answer. Right? So answer will be pi by 3. Because when a function attains maximum value, its derivative should be 0 at that point. So using the option again, just differentiate it. We have already eliminated the first option and last option. So at pi by 3, the derivative of the function becomes 0, right? So answer will be pi by 3. I hope it is clear. Yes, Vaidehi, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll move to the next question now. Would you try number 4, question number 4? Question number 4. Please try. What is given? If tan x is equal to minus 3 by 4 and x lies in which quadrant? X lies in second quadrant. Then what is the value of sin x into cos x? Very easy. We can use Pythagorean triples here, or we can draw a triangle 3, 4, 5, right triangle. Sides will be 3, 4, 5, right? So this is right triangle. Here, this should be 3, this is 4, and this should be 5, right? So what is sin x? Sin x into cos x. And in the second quadrant, sin x is positive. So it will be 3 by 5. In the second quadrant, cos x is negative. So it will be minus 4 by 5. So answer will be minus 12 by 25. Minus 12 by 25. I hope it is clear. Please note it down. Will we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, we'll try to solve question number 5 now. What is the value of, again, very easy question, cosec 7 pi by 6? Cosec 7 pi by 6 can be written as, tell me, cosec pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 into sec pi by 5 pi by 3 can be written as, tell me, 2 pi minus pi by 3, isn't it? So this should be the first step. What is cosec pi plus theta? Minus cosec theta. Yes or no? Similarly, what is sec 2 pi minus theta? It is sec theta only. Because in the fourth quadrant, sec theta is positive. And in the third quadrant, cosec is negative. So therefore, I have put minus sign here. So it will be, what is cosec pi by 6? It is 2. And what is sec pi by 3? It is also 2. So answer is going to be -4. C should be the right answer. I hope it is clear. Yes. Have you understood? Now we'll try to solve question number 6. Shall we move to the next question, number 6? Have you understood? Please note it down. Yes. See, question number 6. Again, we have one shortcut. So this is sector number 2. Always remember, if a plus b is equal to pi by 2, then there are so many results, right? A plus b is equal to pi by 2 means both the angles are complementary angles, right? So the first result is tan A into tan B. Please note it down. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1. In the same way, cot A into cot B is equal to 1. Similarly, sine square A plus sine square B again is equal to 1. And cos square A plus cos square B, it is also equal to 1. So if you see in question number 6, please note it down. This is the second shortcut I told you. And along with these questions, I'm going to tell you so many shortcuts related to these questions, and which will help you save your time in the exam for sure, right? So question number 6, we have got tan 31 into tan 33. All odd angles are there, right? All the numbers are which are there in the angles are odd numbers, right? So 31, 33 up to 57 and 59. So 10, 57 and 10, 59. So could you just tell me how many angles are there here? I mean, how many terms are there precisely? See, 31, 33, all odd numbers are there from 31 to 60. So 15, see, 31 to 60, how many numbers are there? 30 numbers, right? So 15 odd numbers are there. I mean, 15 terms will be there. And among these 15 terms, there will be one term which is tan 45 degrees and which is equal to 1 somewhere here. It is tan 45 degrees, right? Now, if a plus b is 90, then tan a into tan b is equal to 1. So if you see the first term and the last term, if you observe the angles, here we have got 31 and 59. If you add both of them, we are getting 90, right? So the product of first term and the last term is going to be 1 using the above shortcut, above satta? Yes or no? Similarly, 33 and 57. So in the same way, as we have 15 terms, so if we leave the middle term, which is 1045, which is again 1, right? We know the directly, I mean, we know the value of this particular term. 1045 degrees is 1. So we have got how many terms left? 14. So there will be 7 pairs and each pair will give you 1. So final answer is going to be 1 into 1 into 1 14 times into one more 1, which is 1045. So all are ones and they are in multiplication. So answer is going to be 1. So this is the power of shortcut, right? Although we never, I mean, knew the values of any of the angles except one, which was 1045. Still, we are going to get, I mean, we have got the answer very easily. So answer is 1. I hope you understood. So tan A into tan B is 1 if A plus B is 90. So we have to just make pairs where the sum of the angles is 90 degree. So we have got 14 such pairs and each pair will give you 1. So in the same way, we'll be getting the answer, right? Like all ones we will be getting. So answer will be 1. I hope it is clear. Vedhi, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So let us please note down these shortcuts, right? So that was the second shortcut I have told you. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. See what is given in this question. We have got sine 24 degrees plus cos 66 degrees into sine 24 degrees minus cos 66 degrees, right? This is the question. And it is of the form using that algebraic identities. This is if it is A and this is B. So here we have got A plus B into A minus B, isn't it? If it is A, it is B. So A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square, isn't it? So it is equal to sine 24 minus cos, I mean sine square 24 minus cos square 66. Yes or no? And this can be written as cos square 36, or 90 minus 24 is what? 66, right? And minus cos square 66 here. I hope it is clear. Because cos A is equal to, see, A plus B is equal to 90. So 24 can be written as sine 90 minus 66, and sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. And you can see here clearly both are equal and there is minus sign between them. So answer is going to be 0. I hope it is clear. So what is the answer we are getting here? 0. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. We'll move to the next question. Question number 8. What is there in the question? We have got 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, right? And please remember one thing. If you have got variables in the question, and we have got options of the form of numerical type. I mean, see here theta is there in the question, if you see in question number 8, but options are of numerical type. I mean, all the options are constant. So just look for substitution. It is going to save your time, right? For sure. See, so I can put theta is equal to 45 degrees here. But one thing you need to just remember, you have to make sure the angle, whatever you are substituting, it should not, I mean, the question should not be in the form of not defined. Like if I put theta is equal to 0 here, so cot 0 is not defined. So we have to avoid substituting those values where the question becomes not defined. So this 45 degree is the safest angle, because at 45 degrees, none of trigonometric ratio becomes not defined. Yes or no? So because sine theta is also defined, cos theta likewise, right? So if you put 45 degrees, what we are going to get? See, what is cot 45? Tell me. 1, right? What is cosec 45? Root 2. Again, what is tan 45? 1, and sec 45 is again root 2, right? Now, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So it is 2 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 2. Again, a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b. What is 2 square? 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So final answer is 2. B should be the right answer. B option will be the correct answer. I hope it is clear. So answer is 2. Understood? Yes. Please note it down. Done. Shall we move to the next question? So let us move to the next question. Question number 9. We have got 1 plus tan square upon 1 plus cot square. So can I write directly what is 1 plus tan square theta? Sec square theta. What is 1 plus cot square theta? Cosec square theta. Minus 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 minus 1 minus tan theta whole square upon 1 minus cot theta whole square. So see, again we can use substitution, right? We can put theta is equal to maybe 30 degrees. Yes. If you put theta is equal to 30 degrees, so what you'll be getting? Tell me. Very easy. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Because again, options are different we are getting, right? 0, 1. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Cot 30, root 3. So all the options are different. So I have put theta is equal to 30 degree. So what is sec square 30? Sec square 30 is what? Or maybe we can simplify a little. At least one more step. This is 1 by cos square. This is 1 by sine square. Sine square by cos square is nothing but tan square. So we have got tan square theta minus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Right? Now just simplify it. You'll get the answer. See. So what is tan square 30? 1 by 3, right? Minus 1 minus 1 by root 3 and divided by 1 minus root 3, right? Whole square. If you simplify this, we are getting 1 by 3 here minus. If you simplify this, root 3 minus 1 over root 3 times 1 minus root 3, right? And whole square. Now see, if you simplify this again, it is going to be minus 1, right? So answer is 1 by 3 minus 1 by root 3, I mean negative square. It is going to be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is 0. So answer is going to be 0. I hope it is clear. Yes. Yes, Vaidehi, have you understood? All the other students, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sumit, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. One more thing I just wanted to ask you. Do you want GAT lectures also along with maths lectures, or only maths? You are going to continue with maths lectures only? I'm just asking you. Do you want GAT lectures also? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Could you just raise your hands? Who wants GAT lectures? I mean, along with maths lectures. Just raise your hands. Please raise your hands. Who want GAT lectures also along with maths? Only two, Siddharth and Praveen. What about Ritika, Sumit, and Vaidehi? Okay. So almost everyone. Okay. Siddharth, Praveen, Sumit, and Vaidehi, Ritika, everyone. Okay, no problem. So we'll see. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Just a second. Let me share the screen. Okay. See. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 10. Have you noted it down, students? See, you have to respond. If you don't respond, how will I come to know? I mean,
Yes, sir.
you are getting or not. So question number 10, what is there? We have got 7 sine theta, 7 sine theta plus 24 cos theta is equal to 25. And we have to find out the value of sine theta plus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos theta. See, what we can do, we can just taking square on both sides. So what will be getting? 49 sine square theta 49 sine square theta plus 576 cos square theta plus 2 into 7 into 24 sine theta into cos theta is equal to 625, right? Now you just divide it by cos square, the whole equation. So you'll be getting 49 tan square theta means t, right? Plus 576 plus 724 into 7 is 168, double of 168. Let me write 2 into 168. And if you divide it by cos square, you'll be getting like one cos will get cancelled, sine by cos is 10. And here you can write 625 sec square, and sec square can be written as 1 plus tan square. Now you need to solve this quadratic equation, and which is going to be a little lengthy and difficult as well, right? So what I can do here, let me just rearrange the terms, right? I mean, let me just divide it by what is 7 square plus 24 square. We have got 25, I mean 25 square. So let me divide the whole equation by 25 itself. So we are getting 7 by 25 into sine theta plus 24 by 25 cos theta is equal to 1. And we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you compare this sign and this sign will be compared, cos and cos will be compared, 1 and 1 will be compared. In the same way, can I write here from here sine theta is equal to 7 by 25. In the same way, cos theta is equal to 24 by 25. If you add both of them, you'll be getting 7 plus, tell me, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 7 by 25 plus 24 by 25, which is equal to 31 by 25. So the final answer is D option. So it is easier to solve, right? In the 2 steps only. In 2 steps only, we are getting the answer. Otherwise, it becomes a little lengthy and complex, right? So what we can do, we can just divide it by 25. And then we can compare with that identity sine square theta plus cos square theta, and it is very easy. Answer is 31 by 25. I hope it is clear. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll move to the next question. Question number 11. What we have, 3 cos theta is equal to 4 sine theta. Then what is the value of tan 45 plus theta? So we can find out the value of tan theta from here. Yes or no? So here it is 3 by 4 and sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So we can apply the formula. What we are supposed to find? We have to just find out 45 plus theta, tan 45 plus theta. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B. What is the formula? Tan A plus tan B and divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan 45 into tan theta. Isn't it? What is tan 45? 1. What is tan theta? We already know the values. I mean, value of tan theta. 1 plus 3 by 4. And here, tan 45 is 1. 1 minus 3 by 4. If you solve this, you will be getting 7 by 4 and divided by 1 by 4. I can write 4 by 1, right, in multiplication. So answer is 7. Please note it down. I hope it is clear. Very easy it was. So all PYQs I'm going to solve this particular chapter. As you can see here in on the screen, it is already mentioned, which question has come in which year. Done? Understood, everyone? So B is the right answer. 7. Shall we move to the next question now? Yes? Yes, Vaidehi, Ritika, Sumit. Shall we move ahead? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have got question number 12. Tan A is equal to 1 by 7. Tan A is equal to 1 by 7. And we are supposed to find out cos 2A. What is the formula of cos 2A? 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So what is tan A? 1 by 7. So it is 1 minus 1 by 7 whole square 1 by 49 divided by 1 plus 1 by 49. Isn't it? Simple. So it is going to be 48 by 49 divided by 50 by 49. If you solve this, you're going to get 24 by 25. And which is A option. Please note it down. Very easy. So remember these formulae, right? How many formula? See, cos 2A, it can have, 4 to 5 formulas, right? Of cos 2A. So cos 2A is 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. In the same way, we have some more formula. Let me write it for you. The first formula is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Similarly, the other formula is 2 cos square A minus 1. Next one, 1 minus 2 sin square A. And then fourth one, 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. And the last formula, cot square A minus 1 divided by cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1. So these are the 5 formulae that you need to remember. Please note it down. Write down the formula. Every formula you need to write. Yes, done. Shall we move ahead? Network problem here. Just a second. Let me share the screen. Are you able to hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know what is the formula of tan 3a? Here we have got tan 3a divided by tan a is equal to k. And we are supposed to find out tan square a. So what we can do, we can just write down the formula. Let me tell you what is tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Right? Now, instead of theta, can I write a here? I mean tan a. So tan 3a will be equal to, tell me, 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a, right? From the numerator, can I take tan a common? So tan a, if you take tan a common, it will be 3 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a, right? This is nothing but tan 3. Now, what we can do, we have got tan 3a by tan a, which is equal to k. It means k is equal to 3 minus tan square a, 3 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now we can cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you'll be getting k minus 3k tan square a, right? Cross multiply is equal to 3 minus tan square a, right? Now, as we want the value of tan square a, so what we can do, we can just move this 3, this one, onto the left. So on the left hand side, we'll be getting k minus 3. And on the right hand side, you'll be getting, if I take tan square a common, it is nothing but 3k minus 1. Because this term is going to be positive if you move it to onto the right, right? So here, tan square a is equal to k minus 3 divided by 3k minus 1. I hope it is clear. It was a very good question. So first of all, I have written the formula and then I have taken tan a common from the numerator. Then I have moved that tan a onto the, in the denominator of the left hand side, which becomes tan 3a divided by tan a, which is equal to k. It is already given in the question. And then I have just cross multiplied. And after rearranging the terms, we have got tan square a is equal to k minus 3 divided by 3k minus 1. So which is B option. So answer will be B. I hope it is clear. Understood, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us move to the next question. Question number 14. Done? Shall we move ahead? Yes. Now in the next question, we have to continue from here only. Can I write tan A is equal to plus minus under root k minus 3 divided by 3k minus 1. Now for getting the real value of tan A, whatever is there inside the square root, it should be non-negative. What it means? K minus 3. What is there inside the square root? K minus 3 divided by 3k minus 1. It should be greater than or equal to 0, isn't it? Now, using the wavy curve method, what we can do, we can just find out the roots of both the expressions which are there in numerator and denominator. We have got 1 by 3 here and 3 here, plus, minus, and plus. And since at 1 by 3 denominator becomes 0, so it has to be open interval. Here it should be closed interval. Now they are asking for what values of k it should be real, or for getting the value of tan a, the value of tan a, if it is real, then what values of k we cannot take. See, so between 1 by 3 and 3 it becomes negative, which is not possible, because inside the square root, if negative number comes, it is not real number then. So answer is going to be 1 by 3 and 3, right? Between 1 by 3 and 3, we cannot take the values of k because it becomes negative inside the square root, and which will not be a real number. So answer will be B option.
RMS में कितने बच्चे इसमें? उदय सर,
Yes, sir.
RMS के कितने बच्चे हैं?
पूछना पड़ेगा सर अब इनको. अभी ये बच्चे हैं, तलहा, प्रीति, प्रवीण, वैदेही.
उनको पूछो ना.
Yes, could you just raise your hands who are from RMS? कौन कौन RMS से है? Is there anyone? Yes. Could you just rename yourself, sir? एक स्टूडेंट ने हैंड रेज किया है.
जिससे जॉर्जियन लिखा वो भी RMS का ही है. जॉर्जियन जिसने लिखा.
अच्छा, दो बच्चे सर. और कोई है RMS से? एनीवन?
उनको फीडबैक
दो
भी
है
लो.
सर.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
Are you getting what I'm teaching, students? We are solving PYQ. सर 3 लोग हैं. Sumit is also there. सुमित भी है RMS से.
हाँ पूछो ना, उनको समझ में आ रहा क्या?
तुम लोग को समझ आ रहा है क्या मैं जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ अभी? We have solved so many questions of trigonometry. We are using. समझ आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
ओके सर, इनको गैट का भी पूछा था मैंने. दे सेड कि दे वांट गैट लेक्चर्स आल्सो.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, आज तो मैथ्स करेंगे.
ठीक है सर. ओके, लेट अस कंटिन्यू नाउ. सी, so answer will be, tell me,
तो
1 by 3 between 1 by 3 and 3. Why? Because if you take the values of k between 1 by 3 and 3, inside the square root it becomes negative, and which is not possible because inside the square root it should not be negative to get the real number. Therefore, answer is going to be 1 by 3 and 3. So A is the right answer. Next question. Let us move to the next question. Question number 15. So what is there in the question? If tan theta is equal to cos 17 minus 7 sin 17 divided by cos 17 plus sin 17, then what is the value of theta? Question number 15. Try karo zara, please try. Tan theta is equal to cos 17 minus. Can we use cos c minus cos d wala formula? Yes or no? Cos 17 minus sin 17.
Yes, sir.
What is cos c minus cos d? Or one thing you can do, one more thing. See, we have got cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Yes or no? So we can just divide both numerator and denominator by cos 17. So, or maybe, yeah, cos 17. So it becomes 1 minus tan 17, isn't it? Sin by cos is tan, right? Similarly, over here, it becomes 1 plus tan 17. Yes or no? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
1 minus? This is nothing but tan 45 degrees minus 17 degree. Tan A minus B. What is the formula of tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Now we can compare here. What is tan theta is equal to tan. What is 45 minus 17? Isn't it 28? Yes or no? So answer is 28 degrees. Which option? B is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Shall we move ahead? Very easy it was, right? We'll move to the next question. Question number 16 now. If A and B are positive acute angles such that cos 2B is equal to 3 sine square A and 3 sine 2A is equal to 2 sine 2B, then what is the value of A plus 2B? Yes, anyone? Would you try? See, we have got cos 2B is equal to 3 sine square A. And next, we have got 3 sine 2A is equal to 2 sine 2B. Yes or no? And we want a plus 2b. A plus 2b. Now, what we can do, we can apply cos here. What is cos? Cos a plus b. Cos a, cos b. In place of b, we have to write 2b minus sin
Sin
a,
sin
sin 2b, isn't it? Sin a, sin 2b. See here, in the first equation, what we have got, cos 2b is equal to 3 sin square a, isn't it? And here we have got sin 2b, sorry, 3 sin 2a is equal to 2 sin 2b. Yes or no? So in place of cos 2b, we can write 3 sin square a, isn't it? So it becomes 3 cos a into sin square a. I hope it is clear. Are you getting my point? What I have done, in place of cos 2b, I have written 3 sin square a, this one and this one, and cos 2a as it is. And similarly here, in place of sin 2b here, sin 2b, I can write 3 by 2. So let me write 3 by 2, and this is as it is. I mean this one, sin a. And in place of sin 2b, I'm writing 3 by 2 sin 2a. I hope it is clear. Now when you simplify this, you'll be getting, I mean the first term. I hope it is clear. What I'm doing, I'm just replacing cos 2b in terms of 3 sin square a. Similarly, sin 2b in terms of sin 2a, which is 3 by 2 sin 2a. Now what I can do, here we have got 3 cos a into sin square a minus 3 by 2, see here, 3 by 2 into sin a. What is sin 2a, students, tell me? 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a. Now see, this cos a, I mean this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And if you observe, it has become 3 cos a into sin square a only. Basically, both the terms are same. And we have got minus sign between them. So answer is going to be 0. So we have got cos a plus 2b. Cos a plus 2b is equal to 0. Therefore, a plus 2b is equal to pi by 2. Very easy. I hope it is clear. Understood what I have done? They were asking what is the value of a plus 2b. So what I have done, I have applied cos on in the angle a plus 2b, and we have applied the formula cos a plus b. What is the formula of cos a plus b? It is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So in place of b, we have 2b here. So cos a into cos 2b minus sin a into sin 2b. And in place of sin cos 2b from the first equation, this is the first equation, this one. In place of cos 2b, I have written 3 sin square a. So it becomes 3 cos a into sin square a. And similarly, in place of sin 2b, I have written 3 by 2 sin 2a. So it becomes sin 3 by 2 into sin a into sin 2a. So if I again further simplify it, it becomes like sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a into cos a. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. The second term becomes 3 sin a into, 3 sin square a into cos a. And both the terms are same, but in between we have minus sign, so it becomes 0. So at what angle cos becomes 0? Pi by 2. So answer is going to be pi by 2. Very easy. So D is the right answer. Understood? Yes? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Question number 17. Question number 17. What we have understood, students, have you noted it down, this one? Vaidehi, Sumit, everyone, done? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, we'll move to the next question now. Question number 17. What is sine 3x plus cos 3x? Let me write the question. Sine 3x plus cos 3x plus 4 sine cube x minus 3 sine x plus 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x. See, we can apply the formula here. What is sine 3x plus cos 3x? 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x plus, what is cos 3 theta? What is the formula of cos 3 theta? It is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, right? And rest of the terms you need to just write as it is. So it is 4 sine cube theta, 4 sine cube x minus 3 sine x plus 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x, right? Now if you see, 3 sine x and minus 3 sine x will get cancelled. Similarly, minus 4 sine cube x plus 4 sine cube x will get cancelled. In the same way, this and this term will get cancelled. Similarly, all the terms will be cancelled. So answer will be 0. It's very easy. Answer is going to be 0. Next. Question number 18. The value of coordinate of the graph line the interval. The value of ordinate of the graph of y is equal to line. I mean, they're asking about the range of the function. So we have got y is equal to 2 plus cos x. So see, very easy. How to find out the range of the function? As we already know, cos x, the range of cos x is -1 to 1. So if I add 2, so it becomes again in the minimum value, we have to add 2. So I have to write -1 plus 2 and here 1 plus 2. So 2 plus cos x, I can write y here directly, right? So it is nothing but 1 and it is 3. So answer is 1, 2, 3. D should be the right answer. Next. Question number 19. Question number 19. See. We have got 8 cos 10 into cos 20 into cos 40. So we have one formula. Cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A. I mean 2 square. In the same way, into cos 2 raised to n minus 1A, right, is equal to sine 2 raised to NA divided by 2 raised to n sine A. Right? So here, if you see in this question, we have got how many terms are there? 3 terms. A is 10, right? So we can apply the formula. 8 can be, I mean, written as it is. So 8 into sine raised to 2 cube into 20 and divided by 2 cube into sine 20. So this 8 and this 8 will get cancelled. So we are left with sine 160 divided by sine 20. So answer is 1 because sine A is equal to sine B if A plus B is 180. If you add both of them, this angle and this angle, it is 180. Therefore, both, I mean, sine A is equal to sine B. This is the rule. Sine A is equal to sine B if A plus B is equal to pi. So answer is going to be answer is going to be 1, right? Okay. Although there is no option, right? Which is 1, but answer should be 1. Let me check one more time. We have got 10, 20, and 40. So double of 10 is 20, double of 20 is 40. So of course A should be 10. Oh, my mistake. I have written instead of 10, I should have written C. I should be writing here, tell me 10. So this is 10. This is also sine 10. My mistake. So it is 10. So what is, this is nothing but sine 80, right? And this one is sine 10. Again, sine 10 can be written as or see, if you see the options, all the options are in 10 degrees only, right? So this can be written as cos 10, right? And divided by sine 10. So cos upon sine is nothing but cot 10 degrees, which is B option. Number 20. Question number 20. What we have? Cos 48 minus cos 12. Cos 48 minus cos 12. So this is nothing but cos C minus cos D. What is the formula? Let me write the formula. Cos C minus cos D. It is 2 sine, or rather minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. Now, what is C here? 48 plus 12 is 60 by 2 is 30. So sine 30. 48 minus 12 is 36. By 2 is 18. Now, you know the values. This is nothing but 1 by 2. And this is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. So final answer is 1 minus C. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with minus outside and root 5 minus 1 upon 4. It becomes 1 minus root 5 divided by 4. So answer will be B option. Let me write some values here. What is sine 18? Always remember sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. This can be also written as cos 72. Because sine A is equal to cos B if A plus B is equal to 90. Similarly, sine 36. Sine 36. Under root 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. This is equal to cos 72. Next, cos 18. Cos 18 is 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. And that is equal to sine 72. In the same way, sine 36. Sorry, my mistake here. You have to write cos 54. Right? Here, sine 36 is not sine 36, cos 36. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 upon 4. And it is equal to sine 54 as well. By the same logic, right? Yeah. Next question. So that was question number 20. Let us move to the next question. Question number 21. Okay. So we have 3 questions right here. A sine square x plus b cos square x is equal to c. In the same way, b sine square y plus a cos square y is equal to d. P tan x is equal to q tan y. Then tan square x is equal to what? we have got a sine square x plus b cos square x is equal to c. In the same way, we have got b sine square y plus a cos square y is equal to d, and p tan square x is equal to, sorry, p tan x, not square, p tan x is equal to q tan y. Now we are supposed to find out uh, tan square x first of all. Right? So for tan square x, what we can do, we can just divide it by, the first equation can be divided by cos square x. So we'll be getting a tan square x plus b is equal to c sec square x, and sec square x can be further written as 1 plus tan square x. Very easy, right? Now a tan square x plus b is equal to c plus c tan square x. Now, if you take this term onto the left, it becomes a minus c tan square x is equal to c minus b, right? So tan square x will be equal to c minus b divided by a minus c. C minus b divided by a minus c. So it is option number c minus b divided by a minus c. So option A should be the right answer. In the same way, can I write tan square y will be equal to, see what we can do. Again, we need to just divide it by, see, I need to divide it by cos square y, right? In the same way, we have to find out the answer. So tan square y should be equal to, instead of c, we have got d, but a and b have, we have need to interchange. See, here with sine square x, we have got a, but here we have got b. Similarly, in place of cos square x, we have got b, but here, the coefficient of cos square x is b here, but here we have got a. So coefficients are interchanged, right? So what we can do, in the same way, using the same logic, instead of c, we have to write d. Instead of b, we have to write a, and in place of a, we have to write b. So it should be d minus a upon b minus d, d minus a upon b minus d, and it will be equal to tan square y only. So answer is C. Question number 22 answer is C, and question number 21 answer should be A option. Let us move to the next question. Now they are asking, what is p square by q square? So the third relation we have to use here, p square by q square. So p by q can be written as tan y upon tan x. Tan y upon tan x, right? Now, if you squaring on both sides, it will be like p square by q square is equal to tan square y upon tan square x. Now, it is equal to b minus a d minus a. If you simplify this, you'll get the answer, right? Just simplify it. See, tan square y is what? This. And tan square x is this. So directly d minus a divided by, just substitute the values, right? D minus a upon b minus d divided by tan square x, means in multiplication we can write reciprocal of tan square x here, right? So it will be a minus c divided by c minus b. So just see which option is matching here. D minus a into a minus c. So I can write a minus d into c minus a. Similarly, b minus c into d minus b. So B option is the right answer. B option. If you multiply it by minus sign, it will be a minus d into c minus a minus d into c minus a divided by b minus c into d minus b. So option B will be the right answer. So very easy, right? Okay. Next, again, 3 questions are there. Very easy. Just try to solve it. Again, question number 24. Question number 24. See, what is given? Tn is equal to sine raised to n sine raised to n theta plus cos raised to n theta. And we have to find out the value of t3 minus t5 divided by t5 minus t7. Then another value t1 square minus t2 and t10. If t10, we need to find out the value of t10 if theta is equal to 45, right? Okay. Next. So let us start with question number 24. So t3 minus t5 divided by t5 minus t7, right? So what is t3 minus t5? It is nothing but sine cube plus cos cube minus sine raised to 5 minus cos raised to 5 divided by sine raised to 5 plus cos raised to 5 minus sine raised to 7 minus cos raised to 7. Now if you simplify this, I can take sine cube common from the first term and third term, right? In the same way, I can take cos cube common from the second term and fourth term. Similarly, in the denominator, you can take sine raised to 5 common from the first term and third term. And here, from the second and fourth term, we can take cos raised to 5 common. So we are left with 1 minus cos square. Now, if you simplify this, you'll be getting sine cube into cos square plus cos cube into sine square divided by sine raised to 5 into cos square plus cos raised to 5 into sine square. Now, see, you don't have to write sine theta cos theta every time because it may, I mean, it can take a lot of time, right? So if only sine, cos and tan are there, so you can just use S for sine, C for cos and tan, T for tan in order to save your time, right? Okay. Now from here, what we can do, we can take sine square cos square common. So we are left with sine plus cos here. And in the same way, if I take sine square cos square common, so we are left with sine cube plus cos cube. This sine square cos square will get cancelled. So we are left with sine plus cos, which is T1, and sine cube plus cos cube is nothing but T3. So we have got the answer. I mean, option A will be the right answer, T1 by T3, right? So very easy it was. Now next, question number 25. So what we have to do in question number 25, T1 square minus T2. What is T1 square? T1 square means sine plus cos whole square minus sine square cos square. So it is sine square plus cos square plus 2 sine cos, which is sine 2 theta, and minus sine square minus cos square. Now if you see, sine square and minus sine square will get cancelled. Cos square minus cos square will get cancelled. So we are left with sine 2 theta only. Very easy. Next, number 26. Number 26. What is the value of T10 when theta is equal to 45 degrees? Very easy. What is T10? T10 is nothing but sine raised to 10 theta plus cos raised to 10 theta, right? So in place of theta, we have to just put 45 degrees. So it is sine raised to 10 45 degree plus cos raised to 10 45 degree. So what is sine 45? 1 by root 2 to the power 10 plus 1 by root 2 to the power 10, right? Now what is 1 by root 2 to the power 10? It is nothing but 1 by 2 to the power 5 plus 1 by 2 to the power 5. It is equal to 1 by 32 plus 1 by 32, which is equal to 2 by 32. Final answer is 1 by 16. Next question. So C will be the right answer. Question number 27. Again, there are 3 questions, right? So A plus B, A is equal to B is equal to 45 degrees. Alpha, 15 degrees. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 15 degrees. Now we are supposed to find out sine alpha plus sine beta. So it means sine 15 plus cos 15. And again, we know the values, right? What is sine 15? Root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. If you simplify this, you are going to get 2 times root 3 upon 2 root 3. 2 root 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with root 3 upon root 2, which is D option. Next question. We have to find out the value of sine 7 alpha minus cos 7 alpha. Sorry, cos 7 beta. Now what is alpha? Alpha is 15 degree. It means sine 75 degrees minus cos 75 degrees. It means it is nothing but cos 15 degrees minus sine 15 degrees. Now we know the values again. Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. If you simplify this, the denominator is going to be 2 root 2 only. This root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So we are left with 2 times 1. 2 into 1, 2. So 2 by 2 root 2 is nothing but 1 root 2. So 2 by 2 root 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. So answer will be A option. Next. Okay. What is sine A plus B plus cos A plus B? So it is sine alpha cos 1 plus cos alpha sine 1 plus what is cos alpha plus cos A plus B? Cos beta into cos 1 minus sine beta to sine 1. Now from these two terms, and this is equal to, right? From these two terms, I can take cos 1 common, cos 1. So we have got sine alpha plus cos beta, which is sine 15 plus cos 15, right? In the same way, I can take from these two terms, sine 1 degree common. So it will be cos 15 minus sine 15. Just simplify it, you'll get the answer. See, we have got cos 1. And what is sine 15 plus cos 15? We have already found out, right? Sine alpha plus cos beta, which is, what was the answer? It was root 3 by root 2. It was root 3 by question number 27, root 3 by root 2. So I need to write root 3 by root 2. In the same way, we have got sine 1 and cos 15 minus sine 15, it was 1 by root 2. So I need to write directly. So we have to use the answers of previous two questions, right? So from here, I can take 1 by root 2 common. And here, root 3 cos 1. 1 by root 2 common. And plus sine 1 only. Right? So I hope you understood. So D should be the right answer, but root 2 should be there. Yes? I hope it is clear. Very easy. So last question. Let us discuss question number 30 now. Okay. See, what we have here. Sine A, sine x plus sine y. Question number 30. Sine x plus sine y is equal to cos y minus cos x. So let us apply the formula sine c plus sine d. It will be 2 sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to, what is cos c minus cos d? 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2 I need to write. And if you simplify this, I mean, see, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. In the same way, sine x plus y by 2, sine x plus y by 2 will get cancelled. So cos x by x minus cos x minus y by 2 is equal to sine x minus y by 2. So sine by cos is tan. So tan x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. Right? That is what we wanted to find out, right? So C is the right answer. So I hope it is clear. Okay. So let us end this lecture here only. Thank you, everyone.